Okay, I'm going to talk today about using the D minor pentatonic scale. Just basically 5 notes and how to improvise with it, and different chords and things you can use with that. So, pentatonic, penta meaning 5, you've got a minor third, major second, minor third. There's really nice symmetry about it. It's used a lot in pop music, in folk music, non-Western music. It's really versatile scale to use, similar to like a major pentatonic. It's kind of related to the F major pentatonic because they share the same notes, F, G, A, C, D, except you just invert it and start on D. D, F, G, A, C. Now look, there's a bunch of chords you could use to improvise on. I mean, the most obvious one is the D minor 7, D minor plus the C being the minor 7th of D, you get D minor 7. So this is nice to improvise over. Nice and simple, nothing jarring or dissonant about that, so it works really well. But you've got other options. I often find you can just go, experimenting thirds up or down from your original key note will give you good options with the minor pentatonics and other pentatonics for that matter. So B flat major 7 would be my next choice to use for improvising. B flat major 7, you might want to omit the 5th, that make it less thick. Another one you could use is the G minor 7, which is G, B flat, D, and F. So on top of that, mix it up a bit. Okay, B flat. Nice three chords in there. We could also go, we keep doing that same philosophy, going down another third. I'm going down here to E flat, third down from the G, a major third down. So you've got E flat, G, B flat, and D. This will give you some more dissonant results here. But you do have the D in common, you have the G in common. The F's not so dissonant. The A kind of clashes with that B flat, so you get a bit of clash out of that. C, not so much, sort of in between the B flat and the D from the E flat major 7 chord, and the F's kind of in between the E flat and the G. Four chords we're using just with the D minor 7, a D minor pentatonic, I should say. You've got, like in that key, there was a G minor 7, B flat major 7, E flat major 7, and now D minor 7, all working in there. You could keep going with this. The dissonance has become more apparent. What else was I going to use with that? Let's see. Theoretically, I guess. You could get into the C minor 7, it gets a few more clashes there. You get this kind of C Dorian effect with the C minor. Here. I'm just thinking you could possibly go down to the A half diminished. Things get way more into dissonant land there. You've got the G and the A there, and the C, it's not too bad. But those D's clash with the E flat. This is an A half diminished, so you've got your A diminished, which is A, C, E flat, and the G on the top. And over the pentatonic, you've got that D clashing with the E flat. Not too bad. And you've also got the clashing there. Everything else is more a sort of a major second, so not as clashy. You've got a whole, what's that, an array of chords there. I'm liking the way the G minor sounds, and the D minor over the G minor chord. So we could go through them one by one. You've basically got, by that stage, you've got everything. Actually, one I didn't try. Yeah, over the F major 7, which in theory should work, because it's basically your F pentatonic. So you could, of course, you could use your F major. interesting thing then happens, because if we're going up all these chords, say if we stuck in G, well, look, yet another option, if we're going to say focus around G minor, is you may want to keep it, let's make it an F7. Simple. In that case, anyway, you have G minor 7, A half diminished, B flat major 7, C minor 7, D minor 7, E flat major 7, F, well, probably you could go F major 7, okay, E flat 7, to stay relatively in that same scale, G minor 7. All those options for a D minor pentatonic, it's quite astonishing, really. To the G minor, really think that through. But it's more of an example of all the way you could use that D minor pentatonic scale through all those chords. Yeah, a lot of options there. So yeah, look, there you have some, and you know, if you're going into more sort of richer left-hand chord combinations, your G minor 7 might become a bit more like this, like more of a 9 chord, richer, and the B flat, your major 7 more like that, your C minor, and your E flat could become your C minus, would be more like adding extensions onto that and rearranging them for a nicer voicing. Yeah. G minor 7. The same. B flat. More like that. C minor 7. Become more like that. Your D minor 7 become your E flat become more like that. Your F 7, maybe for an F7 you'd be coming, let me see, what is that? F7 would be more. That's there's some options with your D minor pentatonic scale. Good to learn, plenty of chords.